We're getting naked, finally getting naked.
Sì, yes.
Where are we? Dov'è questo?
Allora, qui siamo in un piccolo borgo medievale in cima alla collina. Il borgo si chiama Mozzano.
Mozzano. It's a small borgo, which you know is a little village, and it is about 10 minutes from what I call granola, but it's gragnola.
Gragnola.
Sounds like granola. Really cute little town, great pizza place there, and they have a great train station. It's up high, remote, quiet, but it is close to lots of things. So
25 minutes
from
of
in
Park National Alpi Apuane.
Oh wow, and it's 25 minutes from the national park of the Apennine Mountains. Cute.
Flower?
I love this. I've never been here before. This is so adorable. I mean, if you want a real Italian experience living in Italy, this is it. This is very Italian.
Very
molto italiano.
Molto italiano.
Autentico.
Bene. Wow.
Wow. It's
Qui,
like a club in Mykonos or something.
E qui fantastico.
Is this for sale? Questa vendono?
No, queste no, non vendono.
Because I would buy this. That's the thing about Italy. There's all these like cool secret little places that, you know, you would never know about unless you went with Federico, our guide. Oh my God, this is so pretty.
Allora, qui è un posto, diciamo,
This is the cutest place
di ritrovo
ever.
fantastico, perché qui magari si balla, si mangia
No
e si beve.
way. This is so cute. So this is a little event space. Oh my God,
In
this
compagnia.
is so cute.
Bello.
I mean, super bello. This is like so fabulous. Oh, I love this village. It's so cute. This is really like Italian La Dolce Vita, which, by the way, that's what I'm naming my new dessert book.
E il bello è che qui siamo in paese e c'è un bellissimo portale dove si entra nella proprietà e c'è proprio privacy.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is amazing. I'm digging this. This is where I pray that it's really cool on the inside. Let us pray. Go, Federico, go.
Wow.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, wow. So they've reconstructed everything. So everything's been redone in this house. E quanto costa questo?
195
Oh, that's not bad.
totale. L'acqua esterna per il giardino.
Oh, yeah. This is cute. I love this courtyard. It's great. This is quite nice. Wow.
E poi il giardino sotto, possiamo scendere.
Posso fare un piccolo piscina?
Sì, sì. Ottimo
Oh.
per marmellata.
So questo
Questa è di proprietà.
è per la piscina.
Sì, qui.
Ma devo
Levare il bombolone.
Yeah,
Quello si
bombolone.
può spostare.
Yeah, that's the gas tank for the gas in the house. What a weird place to put that. Why the hell would you put that in the middle of your... If that blows up, I mean, you're gone. So this, you could put a pool here, I think. And there's lots of fruit trees here. Interesting. A lot of fruit down here. I think this would be great for a pool. We just dig this out, put a nice pool. This could be great. I'm always thinking about a pool. All right, let's go back up. Oh my God. It's like hiking. It's like hiking. You got so many shots of my ass going upstairs. You could just do a whole compilation of ass walking upstairs shots. This is a really good ass shot, so, you know, make it look good. Allora.
This lollipop is poppin'. This lollipop is
I'm okay, I'm fine.
This lollipop is poppin', 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 poppin'.
Oh, wow. This is nice.
Casa in pietra, si sente subito entrando il fresco.
They put these colored glass in. It's kind of fun, actually. Yeah, everything's new. So it's new. The sitting room. I mean, I don't know about this configuration. I wonder why this is here. All right. I'm assessing the situation.
Questo è un bel camino.
Yeah, that's a beautiful fireplace. No, it's very pretty. And actually, tutto nuovo. So, you know, all the windows are new, so you don't have to do anything. You just move in here. This kitchen is very cute. They have like a little
Questo è
pantry,
importante.
dispensa, sì. Pantry's always important to me. So that's the other door. It comes into the living room, the kitchen area, the dining room, and the sitting area. I love the little cutouts. I do like those. I like that they did white in here. That's a good choice. You know, these are the curtains I'm talking about. I love these. These are so fun. You can also do a really pretty curtain here too. I just like that they do this because they let the fresh air in. What's behind you there? Bathroom. A big bathroom, and what's there? Another storage. But you could put a laundry room there. Put laundry. Okay. Oh my God, it smells terrible in there. Oh my God. This is what I'm talking about. So Italians, when they're selling their house, you don't think they would stage this? I mean, you don't think they would take out a lot of this stuff? It'd be so easy. Look, like what is that? Like, you know, it's so hard to sell these houses because they're not making them pretty. What I always tell people to do is kind of look up at the ceiling because it gives you a much better idea of the configuration of the room without looking at the furniture. So I do that a lot. Okay, we have these stairs. They're not death stairs, but close. What is it with Italians and stairs? It's trying to kill you all the time. We have a problem here. Houston, we have a problem.
Questo è il problema di questa casa. Bedroom.
Yeah. So, quanti?
3.
3 bedrooms. I just feel like if you were going to redo this house, I mean...
Bathroom.
Yeah. I mean, I think this, I'm going to give this house an okay rating. I mean, it's certainly, you can move into it. And if it might speak to you. I just find it's very generic, and I think they could have done some things to make it a little more special. The issue is this is brand new tile, so I mean, really, are you going to rip it out? I don't think so, because it's brand new tile. I mean, you might, but why would you? So this is sort of, is this the master? Maybe.
Terza camera.
Yeah, this is probably the biggest.
Poi ci sono i piccoli finestrelli di una volta. Adesso l'hanno chiuse, ma si può aprire.
It's a very cute little window. I mean, I think questa casa is okay per me. Perché quando faccio questo rinnovazione, questo è molto semplice, molto non
esatto.
È, yeah.
Sì.
So if this is your jam, I will say that the Borgo is super cute. It really would influence me to move here. It's not a weird layout, it's quite good. It's probably solid as a rock. The windows are a little bit small for me, so it's a little bit dark in here. You know, I would have to outweigh the Borgo, which is up here, and then this house, which is sort of here. So maybe it would balance out, right? It would be up here.
Sì,
Sure, Federico.
Tranquillo,
yeah,
relax.
But it is quiet. You do have a pretty garden outside that you can enjoy. So yeah, I think for someone that just wants to move in, I think you could probably get it for less. It's $195, which is a great price for a completely finished house. It's completely done. You don't have to do a thing to it. I mean, taste level, you know, everybody has different taste levels. It's got 1.5 baths. I think this for a family of 4 is great. I think if you have more kids, you know, that bathroom, it's gonna be tough. But they have a bathroom downstairs and they have a storage closet, and that can be turned in quickly to a shower. We love the Borgo.
Borgo è
Favoloso.
incredibile.
We love the garden. Favoloso.
Incredibile.
And the house is okay. It's like a C+. I would alone get this property for the village because the village is spectacular. There's like amazing hiking here. You're a hiker, this is for you. Literally, this Borgo is in the mountains, and it's very near all of the national parks where you go hiking, and it's very, very near the fabulous, you know, natural warm waters of Equiterme.
Equiterme. Now,
See?
Equiterme.
Oh, now we're going to Equiterme. Oh, now we're going to Equiterme, all right.
Surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise. I like surprises. Okay. They're always good. We're going to the spa.
Spa.
Vespa. We're getting naked, finally getting naked.
Sì, yes.
If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you very much, Federico.
Thank you, Annette.
I think we're gonna give this property 3 thumbs up. So una. Well, he's gonna always give it 4.
No.
No, he's
Allora
not.
2.
Okay, I guess according to Federico, we're gonna give it 4 thumbs up. I think for the price alone and the location, it's probably 4
Esatto.
thumbs up. Thanks so much, and we'll see you at the next location. Ciao.
Bellissimo.
Now he's adding his own little quirky things. I love it.